This is 1 dirham in the year 1998. That's 1419 in the United Arab Emirates. A rare old queens. Imagine 1998, 1419. This is a very rare. And you know the price is $11 million. The most expensive queen in United Arab Emirates. So if you are interested on this to own or to buy, don't hesitate to call +63 997 692 2374 or call Antonio Bacor, Purokpur, Macalaya, Placer, Surigao del Norte, Philippines. And don't forget to comment your price on the comment section so that the highest bid will be the buyer of this queen. 1 dirham 1998, 1419. Very expensive. $11 million. So don't forget to comment your price if you want to buy this 1 dirham 1998 1419 United Arab Emirates, most expensive queen in the world of United Arab Emirates. Please subscribe, please follow, please comment, heart, like, share, and download. And don't forget to comment your price. In the history of United Arab Emirates, this is very expensive. $11 million, 1 dirham in the year 1998 to 1419.